After testing Monochrome, it made me realize that I actually like shooting with restrictions. It keeps me from overthinking. So I'm adding on one more, and that's the 1:1 aspect ratio.
Turn off the light and close the door. I can close my eyes, 'cause I want you more tonight. I love you tonight. I love you.
Shooting photography is frustrating when you don't have a style, but it's fun when you're experimenting. And 1:1 is the one aspect ratio I keep coming back to.
You tell me goodnight while I feel sad. You hold me and I stay calm, but I realize.
And yeah, when you scroll, it's the same thing over and over. So I'm not chasing anything different. I'm just trying to do what feels right. What feels right now is stacking restrictions. Black and white plus the 1:1 on a camera that's already limiting, the FujiFilm X100F. Because I realized I've been chasing the perfect image for so long and relying on color that I've been missing the one key thing, and that is light. So now I'm chasing light, and light is fleeting. I want to be out capturing Chicago, but I keep ending up in meetings or freelance gigs, so my time to shoot is just as fleeting as daylight. Don't get me wrong, I do have time, but when I finally go out, I end up fumbling with what I actually want to bring. So I've been condensing my kit down to the in-the-bag must-haves. The must-have for this video is the FujiFilm X100F. I've been running with my hi-hats film sim for close to a year now, maybe more, but for this, I want less friction. So monochrome and the 1:1 aspect ratio. And I'm choosing 1:1 because there's just something different about seeing the world in that square frame. We're used to seeing everything in 16:9 or 9:16, and this forces me to see things differently. I'm going to be dialing this in and taking it out for a few runs soon, and if I don't post anything from it, call me out, drop a comment, spam my DMs, fill up my email, hold me accountable.